Hey guys, so I finally installed a Quello Bikaku release in my device ASUS ZENFONE Max Pro M2 and I'm using it from last 4 days and I found nothing special in this ROM, which is very useless and unstable. You can see Android version as here installed in my device and some cold feature I got, but personally I will recommend you not to try this ROM now because it is very unstable and many things are not working here. So I will advise you to wait for its final stable release so you can use this ROM as for daily driver and for smoothness. I will surely say this will be very good ROM and very good system UI. Android 12 gonna be very cool for all Android versions. So for now I will talk about some features. Like you can see the power menu option is very cool. Also the volume tab is also very good. It is very cool looking feature you can use in upcoming A12 versions. So this option will be very good and you can use it without any problem. But for now this cable, this bill is not so stable. You can see here camera access and microphone access. So if you use any app you can check whether this app is using your microphone camera by clicking simply on the green button given on the up corner of your screen. You can check which app is using your microphone or camera app. So gauge privacy option are very good in a 12 version. Also here are some other cool features like color option and rounded corners. But for now in this Bika core release many things are not working. You can see also the logo is not here present in A12. You can see the logo is only A11 here. So there's nothing more in this ROM. Go check and try out. So I don't review much about this ROM and about the features. You already know the new features in A12, so you can check YouTube for new features. Also, you know your gestures are not working. Crease system navigation is working, but when you gestures try to turn on, it's screen freeze. So this is the big issues I found in this ROM, like media volume not working, YouTube not working, and you can check the app info is very good. Also I love the split screen option in this ROM in this bigger release. Also these options are perfectly working in previous builds also, but in A12 this gonna be very cool and stable and smooth. So I will love this feature in upcoming A12 ROM. Also here are some other options like Garkim and quick status bar Garkim. It will not change with Garkim. It will be same as black. Only a color option will change in other setting like white to black or black to white. So this is very good. Also the notification panel is changed. I personally don't like this change in A12. The previous notification panel was very good rather than this. Also there is no face lock or fingerprint lock. Fingerprint lock is not working here. You can see it will be a freeze here not working. The maximum lag here. Also no screen lock, face lock here presenting, no app lock. So these options not are in this beta release. So wait for its final beta release so that you can try, and I will surely review the stable beta release whenever we get it. As you see screen recording for normal feature here, no other special option in A12. We will get A12 very good option in screen recording. Also you can see no special option in battery options, no special option in display settings, only normal things are working here. You can check the lag in screen while using the different apps. Also there is no other option than backrest normally as we see in other ROMs. So nothing special in this Bikaku release, only some quick review of a 12 ROMs, some like feature around the corner and color options, volume down buttons, get new options. You can see the animations are changed a little bit so that you can enjoy the animation styles and app navigation system. So these are some options given in this. You can see the YouTube here. Video is not working. YouTube you cannot watch any video on YouTube, Instagram or Facebook or any other video app. You cannot use any video. So you can see YouTube is not responding here. So these apps are still working in this ROM. So guys I will finally say you not to cry this ROM for now. Wait for stable A12 beta release so that you can use that ROM. And guys if you really want to try this ROM, comment in this video and I will tell you how to flash this ROM using Pixel Experience ROM. Everything in this video now. Thank you for watching. Let's make in next video.